The journey of new relationship has started between Pakistan and South Korea. Pakistan-Korea friendship meeting was held in Daegu, South Korea. Pakistani ambassador Mumtaz Zahra Baloch was the chief guest of this meeting. She presented the calculated agenda of this meeting. Pakistani famous businessman Faisal Cheema has played the vital role for this fruitful gathering. Large number of Korean businessmen participated in this meeting and they showed their entire interest to invest in Pakistan for good business opportunity. Pakistani ambassador Mumtaz Zahra Baloch admired the role of Faisal Cheema for the wonderful achievement. Flying News, Daegu, South Korea.